Well, we now know what year it is. 2026. The new World Radio TV Handbook is out. 80th anniversary edition. My good friend Thomas sent me this copy. This has been a great directory for any kind of radio listing, be it AM, FM, shortwave. And I have about 20 versions of this over the years. And man, this thing is mammoth. Just chock full of frequency listings. And in the very beginning, it has some articles, some reviews. There's a famous radio. Some other guides. And then you get back in the frequency, and in the maps showing where stations are located. Several pages of maps. Then you got a world timetable. Just chock full of information for radio listeners, whether it's AM, FM, or shortwave. Then it's broken down into national radio, international radio, and then just list by frequency. Just go through the frequency, find, if you're listening to something on 9.33 megahertz, you're like, what station is that? You can look it up via frequency. National TV. Did I mention national TV? It's got national TV. And then it's got a nice reference. And it's, let me see, 832 pages. Just chock full of information. This is the shortwave listening. So like I say, you can just look up a frequency, and then you can see all the stations that are broadcasting on a given frequency, like 9750. Here we have international radio listings. And here we have national radio listings. National radio listings are basically AM and FM. I, at one time, this was many years ago, actually did FM radio DXing. I had a little Fisher FM radio that my brother gave me. He found it in a house that he helped take down, and the cabinet was all beat up, and he brought me the radio, and that was my FM radio for years. It was a really, really nice radio. And I put up an outside antenna, and I did some DXing. I got about 1,200 miles was my longest station that I received. And you can see, boy, there is a lot of FM stations throughout the world. And in this, unfortunately, we all know this. I'll get to it in a minute. The shortwave section, you can see it's kind of small. Yep. I haven't gone back and looked at maybe a 15 or 20-year-old version of this to see how thick that section is. Not as thick as it used to be. And then this is the listing of all the frequencies on shortwave, which is a little thicker. This is where it's just broken down by location. Pretty nice. It's I have to admit, it's kind of expensive. Yeah. But I want to thank Thomas for getting me one of these. And if you're really into DXing, both AM, FM, shortwave, Even TV, like I say, it's got TV listings here in the back. This is the Bible. Maybe that's not a good word, but the encyclopedia of stations that are on the air. And it's all up-to-date stuff. So they've taken all the stations that have gone off the air. Those came out. Wow. We are now at 2026. Thanks for watching. I want to thank Thomas for sending me this. And have a great day. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.